Drones and robots used to sound like concepts from Steven Spielberg and George Lucas's mind. Now, not only is it ordinary to see flying cameras above you when walking into a park, these devices are already proving their potential as major contributors to business and everyday life. COVID-19 limits human interaction, and this is accelerating adoption and development of robots and drones. According to the Institute of Electric and Electronics Engineers, industrial robots, or devices programmed to conduct repetitive manufacturing tasks, have been around for almost 60 years. However, it wasn't until the more sophisticated use of AI technology that modern robots acquired more advanced capabilities. Today, drones are used for filmmaking, photography, security, surveillance, weather, and environmental monitoring. Robots are developing too. They used to be for children's toys. Now they're replacing human limbs, performing repetitive tasks, and will most likely take over most delivery services over the next 10 years. Industry analyst Technavio forecasts a growth in the automotive delivery robot market, and they expect a $17 billion market between 2020 and 2024. Robotics will most likely be in our homes too. High-functioning robots available 24/7 can help in a variety of jobs, like cleaning or opening doors. From a medical perspective, they can test vital signs, dispense medication, or call for emergency assistance. There's also sanitation robots, these specifically adapted for cleaning and disinfecting public spaces. That's not even half the list. Noble Gold is not in the business of robotics, but we are in the business of precious metals, and metals are needed in robotics and AI. Processors and computers, data centers, and other parts in any computing device need gold and silver. If robotics and delivery service is bound to become a $17 billion business in the next 5 years, imagine robotics in other industries. This is about to blow up, and metals will be at the center of it. We've always advised you to invest in the future. Read up on our robotics, drones, AI. More importantly, read up on the rules of metals in the future and see what we're building. And if you want, call us and make sure that your portfolio is future-proof. Oh, and don't worry, no robots will be answering the phone. In that aspect, we choose to be old-fashioned, humans only.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.